Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Tuesday, everybody. Today is the day of the 25-cent clearance markdown at Dollar General, and this is part 2 of our hidden clearance visual videos. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other DG videos that you might want to go and check out. We've got new coupons, new glitches, the full glitch list, we have month-long savings, exclusive coupons, plus we do have new clearance markdowns and a penny list, which starts today on Tuesday, January the 23rd. Plus, I've already uploaded 2 hidden clearance visual videos for you all. I uploaded part 1 of this video yesterday, which was kind of like a big mixed bag of hidden clearance items that might be hidden very well at your store. And then I also uploaded one specifically talking about the clearance candles. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below, so it's going to be really easy to find. Now, there are tons and tons and tons of items included in this video, so we're going to go ahead and jump right in. In yesterday's video, I told you guys if you have any questions at all, leave them for me down in the comment section below, and I will be answering your questions in today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and start answering questions. All right, so first up, a couple of people asked me if the paper plates and the air care were going to be included in this clearance markdown. So it looks like you may have missed out on watching Saturday's video where I go over all the new clearance markdowns and penny list, which starts today on Tuesday, January the 23rd. So instead of going through all of that information again in this video, I'm going to redirect you to Saturday's video. It is going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. It's going to say new clearance markdown and penny list video for January the 23rd. Click on that link. It's going to take you straight to that video, because in that video, I go over all the new clearance markdowns, plus we have a penny list for today, plus there are tons and tons of other visuals that you're not going to see in this video, and I want you guys to have all the information before you go out shopping, so make sure that you go and check out that video. Now next, I was asked about the Christmas totes. Are those going to be included? No, those are not included in this 25-cent clearance markdown. Up next, I was asked about the foil pans, and I did go over that in yesterday's video, so if that was your question, you might want to go back and rewatch that video again and make sure that you watch it all the way through. The pictures that I had of the foil pans, those were excluded, but that does not mean that they are all excluded. There could be some out there that are included, so if you spot them, I would definitely scan. I was also asked about the big containers of the white cheddar cheese balls, so those unfortunately are excluded as well, but once you guys get into the store, if you spot an item and you think that might be included, you can always scan to double check. It never hurts to double check and scan that item with your app. All right, next up, are all stores going to be participating in the 25-cent sale or the 25-cent clearance markdown? And the answer to that is yes. Whether they know it or not, all of their Christmas seasonal items are going to be 25 cents starting today on January the 23rd. Now, I was also asked about the pop shelf stores. Are the Christmas items going to drop down to 25 cents at the pop shelf stores? Unfortunately, I do not have one nearby, so it's really hard for me to keep up with what's going on over at Pop Shelf. I do know that their Christmas items are heavily discounted at this point, but I cannot tell you all specifics. But if there's any other crazy couponers out there who know what's going on over at Pop Shelf today, please let us know about it down in the comment section below. Now, also had a few of y'all mention the Ross sale. Ross has a huge 49-cent sale going on right now. If you have one nearby, it's probably going to be worth stopping in and seeing what's going on there. I know a lot of people score huge during the Ross 49-cent sale. Now, I was also asked about the specific Febreze, Airwick, and Glade products that are going to be included. I pretty much have that video done, and that is coming up next. So y'all make sure that you have your notifications turned on. But as far as first thing this morning, if you are going out shopping, just scan, scan, scan. If you're ever in doubt, scan, scan, scan. And don't forget that we do have digital coupons on the Airwick and the Febreze. So if you are at an old register store, that means huge overages. So don't forget, we never let the cashier give us cash back. Always add something to your transaction for that overage to apply to. I am super excited to get out there and see what all I can find. But again, if you're ever in doubt, scan, scan, scan. Now, I was also asked if I'm on Facebook. No, I am not on Facebook yet. I'm working on that. That's another project that's coming down the line. So as soon as I do get my Facebook page up and running, I will let you all know. But I am over on Instagram. So if you want to check me out on Instagram, it's at Craz-E Coupons. That information is listed for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys. So I believe I've covered all of the questions that were asked in part 1. Again, if you missed that video, make sure that you go back, check it out. And also, don't forget to check out Saturday's video where I go over all the new clearance markdowns. And plus, we have a penny list for today. So make sure that you go and check out all of those visuals as well. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, from here on out, we're going to be taking a look at candy and food items. Make sure that you stick around until the end. Watch the video all the way through because I have thrown in a couple of money-making deals. And a lot of these items will be mixed in with our Valentine's Day candy and food items. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and scan, scan, scan. Now, in yesterday's video, I told you guys that I would do a quick little story time about what happened with everybody last year with the new registers and self-checkout. So I've got a couple minutes left, so I'm going to make this as short, sweet, and simple as I can. But basically what happened last year was right before the 25-cent sale happened, the new registers and the self-checkouts went through a little update, and our clearance items and our penny items were not ringing up the correct price at the new registers and self-checkout until late in the day on Tuesday or even Wednesday for a lot of people. So when it came down to the 25-cent sale, everybody was avoiding the new register stores. I mean, if you walked in and you saw the new registers, you walked right back out and you went on down the road because it was not happening, or so we all thought. Well, your girl already had a little investigation going on into the new registers and self-checkout. So when it came down to the 25-cent sale, I did find myself at a new register store. I did not realize it until I got up to the front. And this is the day when I figured out that even though these items were ringing up and scanning at 70% off, once you hit total on the self-checkouts or once your cashier hits total at the register, that's going to add the additional discounts and that's going to drop everything down to 25 cents each. So that was a really exciting day. And then when we broke the news on this channel, I believe everybody just kind of had a sense of relief, like, okay, this is great. We don't have to write off our new register stores. We can still go through self-checkout and penny shop. So it was a big, big deal. So I just wanted to share that memory with you all. I'm sure that some of you guys were around back then and remember that as well. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but you know the drill. Stick around, stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Good luck out there. Let me know how it goes, and I will see you on the next one.